We're back here at the Estes Field on the campus of Central Methodist University. Quentin Norris here for CMUEagles.com. Central Methodist taking 2 from Evangel. Game 1, 3-2, and then 6-2. With me is the coach, Nate Breland. Hey, 2 good victories on Easter weekend.
Yeah, important victories for us. We haven't been playing the best baseball here in the last 2 weeks, but it was good today to get out and play good enough to win ball games. So, especially coming, we have 2 more cross-divisional games left, and then we host Grandview for our divisional play next weekend. So, you know, it's important to get wins however you get them, and starting pitching definitely helped us out today.
One of them really stood out, Jalen Miller. I'd say 7 good innings, 7 strikeouts. He really did a great job there today.
Jalen did. Jalen did what we expect him to do. And, you know, Jalen's first 2 outings weren't that great, and he made some adjustments. He's worked at it for a week now. You know, he had some lower half issues going on timing, and he worked hard at it, and it proved today that, you know, hard work does pay off.
You know, it was a 3-2 win victory. You know, you had to scratch and claw and find a way against a fine Evangel ball club.
We did. You know, Taylor, their ace, you know, did a great job today, and he's been tough. We've lost to him, I think, the last 2 years. We just did enough, and then Jalen's performance on the mound and good defense behind him seemed to be the answer.
Of course, game number 2, of course, you know, Tyler Hall did a fine job. You know, Evangel scored those 2 runs there, but you got the 2 runs there, and then you got some insurance runs like the 5th, 7th, and 8th. And how important were those big runs there in the later innings to make it a 4-run game?
Well, they were important. I mean, we scored there in the 7th and 8th to give us a little bit more cushion, and basically it's to take some pressure off our defense and take some pressure off Tyler, and then we brought King in to finish the game out.
Of course, you guys are 18-8, but most importantly 5-3. Well, now you got Benedictine coming up there. We know about this Benedictine ball club.
Benedictine will be the similar squad as Avila was and Evangel is. You know, they can put a kid on the bump that can hold you at bay. You got to play defense. You got to capitalize on their mistakes, and we have to hit. You know, offensively, we have to continue to make adjustments faster in the game. I think last week I told you, you know, it's been taking us 1 or 2 ABs to make an adjustment. You know, we have to make an adjustment a lot faster, especially against top-tier arms.
Well, congratulations. Happy Easter weekend, and, hey, looking forward to Monday. Hopefully we can dodge the rain there.
I hope so, too. Have a good Easter. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much. This is Quentin Norris. So